Hey friends, if you wish to password protect a zip folder in Microsoft, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So here's the thing. You can search for 7-zip in your search bar and download and install this tool on your system. It won't appear as a separate application, but just install it. I'll tell you later what to do. Then go to any folder that you wish to zip. Okay. Right click on that. Select show more options, 7-zip, add to archive. Now you can enter the password here. You can enter the password here and then click on OK to save it. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.